Kuzombola, tengarage motichi shuajin, tengarage mindi tinzi, tetare, tengarage kaza tataregi banalo, jungdrabe migi, nyamnyong da titigibe, tetumbe chishuge sishunila, te kaza tataregi banalo, te nyamnyong sumjibuajin, namya thomanyongi nyamnyong ditsu, tengachirage, te tutsuchi sishunila, digi ngachirage, maong banalo, tengachira wambu kinjingi midinale, tena isami pendo bombe jungtsubigi, de wada bom yu sishunila de benidigi de toto tsentigi banaya de garagi bedebiro de ngachulu chapchur namnam sarayela de tale phara bedebiro machira ombo kinjingi medenalo de debira chapchur zedi katen jana sishudo la digi nandonile khatsata taregi bana de ngachiragi chongdel da de ngachiragi medenalo de gadebela len thamina dusugi koleya lejum bera matutu biten naila de lanam zakatiche sishuni de matse ngachira migi dajinale phaya tenga upload betang di soda lalen taptangi kolya leshum bete nandela te andi suya te maung panalo ya debera te namba chenga chigi midinala nami sami pendo bombera tu situ shudola te katagagi bedera biro ya te tale phara biro ngachira yi wangbo genje shenda shinu ya debera te jongda nam dauchi bawa chin te nam sami pendo bombera tu sishunela kadichela.
What I learned is that I came to know about the social media, which is known as chat GPT. That's I feel that it will be very, very useful for a person like us. And another thing what I learned is business model canvas. I was not sure before. Now I'm very sure and I'm confident. And feedback, what I want to give is that in future, if this training is again organized, and especially for the people with visually impaired, and I would be very grateful if the resource says like documents or whatever it is, it would be good if it can be provided in Braille, especially for those who cannot use a laptop or a computer.
The Anazungi John did the Hemaya Mato to the Mato Sitabe, Asrena Medebera Asti, the Indian Asti, Mambi Mata Rosum, Shisimindi Astikara, Biomes, Anzumi John the Dust, the Nimbioch Asti Mambe, the Pachasuri, Masu Chibesh, Nambachi, the Kadichin, the I have Timpanel Nansen Gadin Chase should Anzumi John the Nami. The Anzungi John the Nami at Jeron Pukin Chimitisu, Kittle, the Shulebere Japjonami, and down Reway is should. The Jura the Chipre City that Tongan Skiko, the Sangit Song, Gadebe and Benina, Kadebe, Vengachian, Son, and Facebook and the Gadevison in a jail of worship, this on Gadebe, post Benina, the circulation is should.
Facebook page tsuka bezonina, Instagram page tsuka bezonina, tsuka rathamu thuchila, himadi mashiti tatu, nimni gi jondar beuda thamu thuchila, katichila.